Hi there, happy creators! Today, we are going to draw the muscular and stylish Abby from the Saza Boys in the movie K-pop, Demon Hunters. Let's go! First, let's start by drawing Abby's eyes. Wow, his charming, flirty eyes are so attractive, aren't they? Next, draw his nose and a smiling mouth. Then, complete the outline of his face. Abby has beautiful pink hair. Let's express his full, voluminous bangs freely. Give him some ears, and now, let's put a bright yellow beanie on his head. Now, it's time to draw his upper body. Abby is a muscular guy, so let's draw his strong arms and that awesome inverted triangle torso. Next, let's add his detailed belt. These delicate details will truly elevate the quality of your artwork. Unlike his strong upper body, let's draw his slim, slender legs. Add some sporty sneakers too. Now, let's finish his arms. Let's make both hands look super stylish by putting his thumbs right into his pockets. Awesome! Don't forget the ripped details on his knees. Finally, let's fill in the patterns on his gorgeous Hawaiian shirt. Take your time and draw pretty flowers and leaves wherever you like. Guess what? Our Abby is all done. Wow, Abby looks incredibly cool. I absolutely love his Hawaiian shirt. Which part of him do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed drawing with Joy today, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to join our Happy Art Studio family. Share your amazing Abby drawings with me on Instagram at joy76403. See you next time, happy creators!